Blind snake. Blind snakes are small, burrowing reptiles with smooth, shiny scales and reduced eyes that make them look almost invisible. They live underground in loose soil and leaf litter, feeding mostly on ants and termites, playing an important role in controlling insect populations. Worm snake. Worm snakes are thin, non-venomous snakes that resemble earthworms in both size and movement. They spend most of their time underground and are rarely seen, feeding on soft-bodied insects and larvae. Garter snake. Garter snakes are common, non-venomous snakes found in gardens, forests, and wetlands. They are easily recognized by their striped bodies and are beneficial because they eat pests like insects, frogs, and small rodents. Water snake. Water snakes are semi-aquatic and often found near rivers, lakes, and ponds. They are strong swimmers and primarily feed on fish and amphibians, sometimes being mistaken for more dangerous species. Tree snake. Tree snakes are adapted for life in trees with slender bodies and strong gripping abilities. They hunt birds, eggs, and small animals while moving quickly through branches. Boa. Boas are large, non-venomous constrictor snakes that kill their prey by wrapping around and squeezing it. They are found in tropical regions and can consume relatively large animals compared to their size. Python. Pythons are among the largest snakes in the world, also using constriction to subdue prey. They are powerful predators and can be found in Africa, Asia, and Australia, often in forests and grasslands. Viper. Vipers are venomous snakes, known for their long, hinged fangs and triangular heads. They use venom to immobilize prey quickly and are often ambush predators, waiting patiently before striking. Cobra. Cobras are famous venomous snakes, recognized by their hood, which they expand when threatened. They deliver potent neurotoxic venom and are found mainly in Asia and Africa. Rattlesnake. Rattlesnakes are venomous pit vipers, known for the rattling sound at the end of their tails, used as a warning signal. They are primarily found in the Americas and use heat-sensing pits to detect prey. Sea snake. Sea snakes are highly adapted to marine life, with paddle-like tails and the ability to hold their breath for long periods. They are venomous and feed mostly on fish in warm ocean waters. Flying snake. Flying snakes are unique gliding snakes that can flatten their bodies and launch themselves from trees. They can travel surprisingly long distances through the air, helping them escape predators and move between trees.